nós foi... como viram, foi um grande jogo, muito bem disputado de início ao fim. Para nós foi um grande teste, jogar com a equipa da casa ao mais alto nível. Por isso estamos orgulhosos do jogo que fizemos hoje. O mais importante é levantar a cabeça e pensar o futuro, um futuro melhor para o basquetebol cabo-verdiano e esta participação no Mundial, de certeza absoluta, trará ganhos muito mais no nosso país, no seio dos nossos jovens, e isso para nós é muito importante com a nossa participação aqui. Por isso, em relação...
First of all, I'm so proud of my team, my boys. We come the small country. We come for first time for the big competition. First parents, and I'm so proud of this guy. Second, congratulations Japan for the win. Congratulations Japan for organizing this cup. Everybody is so fine. The people is good. The food is good. But I have something today for speaking. 10,000 ago, the FIBA say the Africa teams don't have a quality for come this competition. Now we have 5 teams from Africa, good competition, and the referees don't respect the small country. It's very bad for FIBA, it's very bad for this competition. Why this guy don't respect Edi Tavares? Edi Tavares is the best center in Europe. He don't come again. He don't come this competition again. I have in my mobile, in my telephone number, many picture the guys push all time. My team lost the first half. Go to the game. When you have in condition for win this game, the three referees don't respect. No foul, and help to Japan win this game. This is very bad for FIBA. Please, FIBA is the big organization. Please think this. If you like the Africa more competition, please first respect this country. Respect in this country. Thank you so much.
Okay, I think that will go ahead and conclude the press conference here this evening, and safe travels back home. Coach Travada and Fidel.
Thank you.
The crowd getting in this. Almeida driving, dishing. Coher, wing shot. Short. Hiyajima holding on. He'll give it to his buddy. What a nub.
And again, a nice feed.
For everybody not on the metric system, Tavares stands at 7 feet 3 inches. Almeida spinning, going right to the rack.
MVP of the recent EuroLeague Final Four, playing for Real Madrid, and Japan change it up. They go to a 2-3 zone.
De Hoza with a 3, some energy. And Keisei Tominaga checks in. Kawamura looking for the cutter. Japan working around the horn. Yoshi to Hawkinson. Money shot.
That is just brilliantly executed by Japan. He's remained confident. He's now made his last 2 of 4 from the 3-point line. 13 points to the big fella.
De Hoza, an answer here. Kawamura driving in. Tominaga will pump fake. Get a little closer. Lefty is good. The hook shot. Tominaga, other side. Quick release for another 3. He's dancing out there. Even Almeida with the ball, spinning, looking for a dump. Nothing there. We're going the other way with Baba.
Going the way of Japan. Yude Baba here, only.
From Western Africa. Togashi Want it in on the dinner party.
The tournament, just the awareness of the players. You see that 3-ball.
Gomes from 3. Rolls in and out. Put back. Mensch there. The attack, no good. Tavares will kick it out. Coher, feet behind the 3-point line. That one drops in. The lead now cut to 12. Almeida pulling the trigger. Off. Tavares with the rebound. Put back Almeida.
It's a 10-0. It's a 10-0 start to the fourth.
Gomes on the block. Tavares posting up. Trying to get it to the big guy.
And this is going to be an M1.
Palmer to the rescue. He's driving. The feed. Extra handoff. Hawkinson. And one. Hawkinson. Count it. Watanabe will cross over. A little game of hot potato here. Hawkinson in the corner. Insurance. It's in. Japan. The dagger. Japan, get on your feet. You are going to the Olympics.